In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your online status on LinkedIn. If you want a little more privacy while using LinkedIn, this setting is very helpful. It lets you control whether other people can see when you're active on the platform. That can be useful if you want to browse profiles, read messages, or spend time on LinkedIn without showing that you're currently online. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll find your personal account options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains the main controls for your account, including privacy, visibility, and communication preferences. After you're in Settings and Privacy, look over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Visibility. This area is where LinkedIn groups together settings related to what other people can see about your activity and profile presence. If you're trying to reduce how visible you appear while using the platform, this is the right place to be. Next, find and click Manage Active Status. This setting controls whether other LinkedIn users can see when you're active right now. In some cases, it may also affect whether people can tell that you've recently been active, depending on how LinkedIn displays that information at the time. Once you open that setting, select No One. Choosing this option means your active status will be hidden from everyone. After that, other users won't be able to see when you're online on LinkedIn. This is the most private option if you want to use the platform more quietly, and that's all there is to it. The change should take effect right away, so once you select No One, your online status will be hidden. If you ever want to change this again later, you can return to the same settings area and update it anytime. This is a quick and simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if privacy matters to you. It's especially useful if you prefer to manage your networking, job searching, or messaging activity without appearing available in real time. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to hide your online status on LinkedIn.